Y aruba llama bombinina y yate Voyager representando a compañía renombrada de whisky Johnny Walker. Voyager ha iniciado su odisea na año 2012 na Shanghai y ahora navega mundo entero. Voyager ta un boto de clase que representa exactamente lo que ta marca renombrada aquí ta Parape.
I think there are four key things that I think about when I think about Johnny Walker. One is the liquid, right? We have great tasting, big, bold flavors. We have excellence in blending over 193 years through 6 generations of master blender, including the first 3 from the family. We're renowned for iconic design. Everyone knows though that the striding handle, the square bottle, the angled label, but also our commitment to progress, to constantly keep moving forward. And I think this, our Voyager, actually brings all of those together, all of those things, and celebrates them in many different ways.
Aruba ta importante para Johnny Walker como unha país na región que carga e marca aqui para vários anos acaba. A odisseia de Voyager do Caribe lo passa 4 islas e Aruba ta onde zona escolhi.
It's an important part of the region for us. It's a wonderful island, and I think it has a wonderful history of being a great partner for us. We've been in the region since the mid to late 1800s, and although I can't specifically say that what part Aruba or other islands played in that era, we certainly know since the modern era, the 20th century, that Aruba was a key part. But it would be difficult to imagine that if we, for example, knew our whiskies were in the mainland of America by the 1880s, we know they were in this region, and we know that Aruba has been significant throughout that era. So it was very important to us to come here. It's our second official visit, so you can see how important it is. We've been to Trinidad. We had an initial soft launch in Antigua, just to get started. We'll be going on to Puerto Rico, to the Dominican Republic. We'll pop down to Cartagena, Margarita Island after that, and finally we'll go to Miami.
A ideia atrás de Voyager nasce como que Johnny Walker começa vendo seu produto de uma tienda chiquito e através de poder exportar essa que via la mano para país internacional a logra llegar a una renombre mundial que é o whisky de Johnny Walker.